Today we're removing the front speaker and door panel from a Ford Ranger with a manual window crank. We're going to start with our screwdriver and move to the handhold and remove two screws below the bottom edge here, one on the left and one on the right. We're going to move to the back bottom edge of the door panel and remove a third screw. And we're going to move to the window crank. Move the window to the down position. Note the position of the window crank for reinstalling. With our pry bar, you will pry between the plastic washer and the trim on the window crank. It will release. This will allow the cover to pull back from the main handle and swing to the side to give access to one more screw in this opening. We're going to remove the screw, the window crank, and the washer and set it to the side. With your pry bar, start at the bottom edge of the trim panel on the door, prying around the edges to the top. This will release all the clips. These clips release with pry pressure, and you'll be able to pull this panel back and set it to the side. This will access another screw here in the cavity. We're going to remove this screw and grasp the edge of the door panel, and we're going to pull it straight up. This will release all the hooks on the door panel from the door, and you'll be able to pull it back. These hooks are located along the edges of the door panel, and they mate to holes in the door when reinstalling the door panel, and pushing it straight down, go along the edge of the panel and make sure all the clips caught their opening. This is a standard 4x6 Ford speaker. See our website for speaker phasing. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching.